Number 1.
The Coleman Sundome camping tent is a reliable and durable option for outdoor enthusiasts. It is designed to provide comfortable and secure shelter in a variety of weather conditions, including rain and wind. The tent is made with a strong and waterproof polyester fabric that is treated with a waterproof coating to keep you dry during inclement weather. It has a sturdy frame constructed with fiberglass poles and steel stakes, which provide a solid foundation and help to keep the tent upright in high winds. The Coleman Sundome camping tent can accommodate up to 6 people, with a spacious interior that provides plenty of room for sleeping, storage, and relaxation. It has a large D-shaped door for easy access, as well as 2 windows for ventilation and natural light. The tent also features a built-in ground vent to help circulate air and keep the interior cool and comfortable. Overall, the Coleman Sundome camping tent is an excellent choice for camping, backpacking, and other outdoor activities. Its durable construction and versatile features make it a reliable and comfortable shelter for any adventure.
Number 2.
The MalloMe Camping Sleeping Bag is a high-quality and durable sleeping bag designed for use in a variety of outdoor settings, including camping, hiking, and backpacking, perfect for spring, summer, fall, and cool weather. With a rated temperature from 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, optimal comfort temperature 62 degrees Fahrenheit to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep yourself cozy, warm and safe in every situation at normal altitudes. It is made from a comfortable and breathable fabric that helps to regulate body temperature, ensuring that you stay warm and comfortable throughout the night. The sleeping bag is also equipped with a full-length zipper, which allows for easy access and ventilation, as well as a built-in pillow pocket to help support your head and neck. The MalloMe Camping Sleeping Bag is designed to be compact and lightweight, making it easy to pack and carry with you on your outdoor adventures. It is also water-resistant, making it suitable for use in a variety of weather conditions. Overall, the MalloMe Camping Sleeping Bag is a reliable and comfortable choice for anyone looking for a high-quality sleeping bag for their outdoor adventures.
Number 3.
The GRAYL GeoPress 24-ounce water purifier bottle is a portable water purification device that allows users to easily access clean drinking water while on the go. It is designed to filter out a wide range of contaminants, including bacteria, viruses, protozoan cysts, and other impurities, using a unique 3-stage filtration process. The first stage utilizes a ceramic filter to remove larger particles and sediment, while the second stage uses a carbon filter to absorb contaminants and improve the taste of the water. The final stage is a hollow fiber membrane filter, which removes the remaining contaminants down to 0.2 microns in size. The GRAYL GeoPress water purifier bottle is easy to use. Simply fill the bottle with water and press down on the top of the filter to purify it. It is also designed with durability in mind, with a rugged and impact-resistant exterior, making it suitable for use in a variety of outdoor environments. The bottle has a capacity of 24 ounces, and the filter can purify up to 40 gallons of water before it needs to be replaced. It is a convenient and reliable solution for travelers, hikers, and anyone else who needs access to clean drinking water in areas where the water quality is uncertain.
Number 3.
The Coleman Triton propane stove is a portable gas camping stove that is perfect for outdoor cooking. It features a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to pack and transport to your campsite or other outdoor location. The stove is fueled by propane and has 2 powerful burners that can each deliver up to 10,000 BTUs of heat, allowing you to cook a variety of meals quickly and efficiently. The stove also has a wind-resistant design, with a built-in wind block to help protect the burners from gusts of wind and ensure consistent heating. The stove's durable construction and easy-to-use design make it a reliable choice for outdoor cooking needs.
Number 4.
The ENERGIZER LED Headlamp Pro 360 is a durable and reliable lighting solution that is perfect for a variety of activities, including hiking, camping, and home repairs. With a 360-degree adjustable angle, you can direct the light exactly where you need it, and the LED technology provides bright and long-lasting illumination. The headlamp is lightweight and comfortable to wear, with a fully adjustable headband that fits securely on your head. It is also waterproof and impact-resistant, making it suitable for use in all weather conditions. The ENERGIZER LED Headlamp Pro 360 comes with 3 light modes: high, low, and red, which allow you to adjust the brightness and color of the light depending on your needs. The high mode provides the maximum amount of light for tasks that require intense illumination, while the low mode is perfect for longer periods of use or activities that require less light. The red light mode is great for preserving your night vision, and it is also useful for signaling in emergency situations. Overall, the ENERGIZER LED Headlamp Pro 360 is a versatile and reliable lighting solution that is perfect for a wide range of activities and situations. Whether you are working on a home improvement project, exploring the great outdoors, or just need a hands-free light source, the ENERGIZER LED Headlamp Pro 360 has you covered.
Number 5.
Customized to address a wide range of injuries, it features the perfect selection of first aid and preparedness essential items that are most often needed in times of backpacking, wilderness adventures, survival, travel, boat, kitchen, and more. It comes packaged in a high-quality portable hard case that keeps the contents organized. It has just the right size so you can pack it with you everywhere you go. Manufactured in a modern FDA-registered facility, you can be sure of a product that will not let you down when needed. Refill when necessary. This is a safety gift that everyone will appreciate.
Number 6.
Cool unique gifts for men. Does your husbandman love spending all the time in the outdoors he can? Get him a gift or few that will show him you care about his favorite activities. Look no further. This survival gear and equipment is ideal for all outdoor hunter lovers. This camping accessories is the perfect companion to help keep you safe and have peace of mind while you're hiking, camping, hunting, fishing, backpacking, travel or adventures. Cool gadget for men, birthday's top best gifts for him, father, best friend, brother, hunter, and even who has everything. A stocking stuffer, fishing gift, hunting, camping accessories for teen boys, scouts, teenage boy or family who interested in adventure.